the academy is the least expensive option when compared to Udacity and recent bootcamps in data engineering. Yeah, it's like, I know, like bootcamps, I'm not sure if like with bootcamps, I'm not sure if it's worth it to like get a bootcamp, go into a bootcamp and like for $10,000 and do some prepared tasks and get taught a bit. I'm not sure. I haven't done the bootcamp myself, so I would need someone with experience who can talk about bootcamps. One thing that is good with one thing that is good with bootcamps is they usually have some connections to recruiters and to companies. So the chance of the theoretical chance, I'm not sure how high the chance is, the theoretical chance of getting placed out of a into a job out of the boot camp could be higher than just doing a project and trying to search jobs online and apply to them. That could be a benefit of boot camps. Otherwise, I think what we do, for instance, in the coaching is really, it's completely custom. Yes, I have some prepared stuff like the AWS course, and if I have a student who is like in the early phases, I'm trying to like do a lead or a lead example or a lead project using AWS. I currently have one of my students who's basically in the early phase and he has not that much experience with computer science. So what we do is we basically, first of all, the person selects the data and we think about some goals, and then I lead that person through the actual AWS course and give some tips and we talk about everything. So this person understands actually why are we doing this, and has some like source codes that help you along. So that's basically how this usually goes in the coaching. Of course, in the academy you have that. We're doing the weekly live streams where you can ask questions like this one. Yeah. So that's basically where this is usually going.